Hey, this is Manuel, and I am outside Attention Grabbing Media headquarters. I don't know if you've been here before, but if you haven't, you need to come. Because on this next Tuesday, which is going to be May 14th, I'm going to put together a training on artificial intelligence that has not been done before. I should be charging people for this. It should be a paid event, but I want to help as many people as possible take advantage of the opportunity. It's one of those things that I consider artificial intelligence one of the free things that are building today's economy. Number one is the internet. Without it, we wouldn't be here. Without it, COVID would have destroyed us. Number two is social media. Without it, my business would not be what it is today. And number three is the artificial intelligence world. And I want to show you about it because what I've discovered recently is something that is not being taught. How to accomplish more, how to get more done in less time, how to create plans and battle plans, and how to get things that are going to help you move the needle and move forward. Like, I'm talking about practical things. I'm going to show you how to make practical things, and it's going to be like a 1-hour training. So in this headquarters over here, which is in the city of Largo, Florida, at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, the 14th of May, I want you to show up because I'm not doing this very often. Actually, this one over here, I haven't done it in a while. So what do you say? Are you coming? I want to see you in the house. Let's come and spend some time together. Let's talk about your goals and your dreams. And let me give you the tools that you need to help you get closer towards your dreams and goals. Should we do this or not? May 14th. Find the link, whether it's down here or up there, and book your spot. Save your seat. It's going to be a packed house, and I'm going to blow you away. I promise you. Let's go.